Hey guys, Coach Katie here. So today for our combination, we're going to be doing high knees, squats, and a plank hold. So all of these are a skill review for our high knees. Again, you're going to bring your knees up high like this and jump back and forth. And then for our squat, you're going to bring your feet under your hips, come down into a squat and back up again, just like that. And then our third one, plank hold. So for our plank hold, you can either come up onto your toes or down onto your knees, holding our plank and engaging our belly muscles. Thanks, guys.